Hello guys, I hope you're all fine. This is Shayan Asad and today I'm going to be solving 20 SAT math questions under 20 minutes. I do these videos daily solving and speedrunning math SAT questions, so please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out any video of mine. A line passes through the points 4, 6 and 15, 24 in the xy plane. What is the slope of the line? Slope means gradient, that is m, okay? M equals to, that's the formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, alright? Now 24 minus 6 by 15 minus 4, alright? That gives us 18 by 11, alright? And this is our answer. Next question. Alright, figure A and figure B are both regular polygons. The sum of the perimeter of figure A and the perimeter of figure B is 63 inches. The equation 3x plus 6y equals 63 represents this situation, where x is the number of sides of figure A and y is the number of sides of figure B. Alright, which statement is the best interpretation of 6 in this context? Okay, 6y is the number of sides of figure B. Alright, okay. So let's see. Each side of figure B has a length of 6 inches. Alright, this looks good. The number of sides of figure B is 6. No, because the number of sides of figure B is y. They told us here. Y is the number of sides of figure B. So this can't be. Alright, let's just cancel this out. Each side of figure A has a length of 6 inches. No, the number of sides of figure A. No, we're not talking about A. We're talking about B. This is the correct answer. Alright, next question. A model estimates that whales from the genus Astricius travel 72 to 77 miles in the ocean each day during their migration. Based on this model, which inequality represents the estimated total number of miles x a whale from the genus Astrician, I don't know what this word is, could travel in 16 days of its migration. Alright, so 16 days, okay, x, the number of miles x, the number of miles are x, okay. So let's see, our x should be greater than 72 and smaller than 77. Alright, so these three first, let's start with here, okay. 72, 16x, alright, 16 days, okay, x, and greater than 7 is smaller than 77. Yeah, from looking at this equation I know that this is our answer. Okay, we don't need to even get into these confusing equations. Alright, so this is the answer. Next question. What value of x is the solution to the given equation? Okay, 8 x equals to, we're just gonna take 8 under 88, 88 divided by 8, 8 ones are 8 and 8 11s are 88. So our answer is this. Question. Line K is defined by y equals this. We're given the equation. Line J is perpendicular to line K in the xy plane. Okay, what is the slope of line J? Alright, so when there are two lines, alright, and if a line is perpendicular to this line, the gradient of this line is the negative reciprocal of the gradient of this line. For example, this is J and this is K. For example, if we have J2, alright, the gradient of K will be minus 1 by 2, negative and reciprocal. Alright, so let's see, in this case y equals minus 17 by 3x. Alright, this is the gradient, okay, the coefficient with x is the gradient. Alright, so we'll just negative reciprocal this term. Minus 17 by 3 is equals to 3 by 17, and this is our answer. Alright, next question. Which table gives 3 values of x and the corresponding values of y for the given equation? Alright, what we need to do is that we just need to take the values of x and y and input in this equation. Alright, okay, 0, add x equals 0, y equals 8. Alright, yeah, this is true for this, because when you place x equals 0, it will become 8. Alright, 2 and 148, let's see, 7 2s are 140 plus 1, yeah, this is correct. I think this one is correct, but let's just check other ones as well. 4 and 288. Alright, 4 7 4s are 28 and 280, yeah, this one's correct. Alright, next question. If fx equals x plus 7 and gx equals 7x, what is the value of 4f2 minus g2? Alright, first of all, my way of doing this is to break this down. What is the value of g of 2? Alright, g of 2 is, let's just put 2 in place of x. Alright, 7, and we'll place here 2. Alright, 7 2s are 14. G of 2, we know that it's 14. Okay, what's 4f2? Alright, first of all, let's just place 2 instead of x. Alright, x plus 7, 2 plus 7, that is 9. Alright, and let's multiply it by 4. Okay, 9 4s are 36. Alright, 36 minus 14, 36 minus 14. All right, that gives us 26, 22. All right, 22, and 22 is our answer. Okay. The next question. All right, the graph of a system of linear equations is shown. Equations means there are two equations. All right, first one is this line, this slope, and the second one is this x equals 3. All right, and this slope also has an equation. All right, what is the solution xy to this system? All right, when they say about solution, it's where they intercept. All right, that is 2 in the x, all right, and 3 from y. So our points are 2 3. The solution is 2 3. All right, 2 3. Yeah, C is our answer. The next question. A total of 364 paper straws of equal length were used to construct two types of polygons, triangles and rectangles. All right, so we have triangles and we also have rectangles. All right, the triangles and a total of 364 equals to 364. All right, the triangles and rectangles were constructed so that no two polygons had a common side. Okay, the equation 3x plus 4y equals 364 represents a situation where x is the number of, now this is important. All right, they're telling us what x is showing us, where x is the number of triangles constructed and y is the number of rectangles constructed. Pretty fair. What is the best interpretation of x y equals 2 4 24 and 73 in this context? Okay, so they told us what is x, where x is the number of triangles constructed, so 24 is the number of triangles constructed and y is the number of rectangles constructed. All right, so let's see, if 24 triangles were constructed, then 70 triangles. Exactly perfect, this one's good. A principal used a total of 25 flags that were either blue or yellow for a field day. All right, 25 flags that were either blue or yellow. Okay, the principal used 20 blue flags. How many yellow flags were there? Of course 5. All right, 25 minus 20, that is 5. Okay, oxygen gas is placed inside a tank with a constant volume. All right, the graph shows the estimated temperature Y in kelvins, all right, of the oxygen gas when its pressure is X atmospheres. All right, what is the estimated temperature in kelvins of the oxygen gas when its pressure is 6 atmospheres? All right, here is atmosphere, so easy question. We'll just take its value in the y-axis. All right, 6 comes to here and this is 700, so our answer is 700. Easy peasy. The given equation, all right, 38 x square equals to 38 into 9. Let's put this in a calculator. 38 into 9 equals to 342. All right, 342. Now we'll take 38, divide it by here. All right, x square equals to divided by 342 divided by 38. That gives us 9. All right, now we'll take square root of 9, taking square root on both sides. All right, to cancel this square. All right, and square root of 9 is 3. All right, and they told us that what is the negative solution, so we won't be writing plus 3. All right, we will write negative 3. All right, this is our answer. Okay, next question. The graph of a system of linear equation and a non-linear equation is shown. Okay, this is the linear one and this is non-linear one. What is the solution xy to the system? All right, the solution, by solution they means where do the both lines intersect. All right, so we can clearly see here that is 2 in the x-axis and 4 in the y-axis. 2 4. All right, 2. A wind turbine completes 900 revolutions in 50 minutes. All right, at this rate how many revolutions per minute does this turbine complete? All right, so my advice, my approach of solving these questions is that I make two rows. All right, this is row for revolution and this is for minute. Now they told us how many revolution per minute does the turbine complete. 1 minute per minute means 1 minute, and let's just see here x. All right, just cross multiply it. All right, 900 equals to 50x, and x equals to 50 will be divided by 900. All right, 900 because 50 will come here. All right, divided by 50. Okay, this 5 ones are 5 and 5 5 18s are 90. All right, 18, this is our answer. Next question. Last year 200 students enrolled in an interior design program. This year the number of students enrolled is 147% of the last year's numbers. How many students are enrolled in the interior design program this year? All right, they have told us that the number of students is now 147%. That means it has increased by 47%. All right, so what we will do is that we will just simply multiply 200 by 1.47%. All right, And which gives us, let me put this inside calculator, 200 into 1.47, that gives us 294. All right, and 294 is our answer here. Okay, next question. The bar graph shows the distribution of 414 books collected by 10 different groups for a book drive. All right, number of books and group. Okay, how many books were collected by group 1? All right, this is group 1, 30 books. All right, 30 is our answer. A sample consisting of 720 adults who own televisions was selected at random for a study. Okay, sample consists of 7 adults who own televisions. All right, based on the sample, it is estimated that 32% of all adults who own televisions use the televisions to watch nature shows, with an associated margin of 3.41%. Which of the following is the most plausible conclusion about all adults who own televisions? More than 35.41? No, this is wrong. Between 28.59, and yeah, this one's correct. A box contains 13 red pens and 37 blue pens. If one of these pens is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a red pen? Alright, so we'll just do 13 by 37, and this is our answer. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so we're done with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, that helps a lot, and meet you in the next video.